You need to find the product that the user is adding to the cart. Remember that arrays have a find method. In your add item function, declare a product variable and assign it to the value of calling the find method on the products array. Do we have an array called products? Yes, we have. There it is. For the callback to find method, pass a function that takes a single parameter item and returns whether the ID property of item is strictly equal to the ID parameter passed to the add item. Now, if you're reading it while building it, you might be confused. So it would be best to um, gather what we know and parse this instruction while we build. So first it says for the callback function of the find, oops, let's take a step back. It says declare a product variable. Okay, we write that const, and then the name of the variable would be the product. And it says to assign to the value of calling the find method on the array products. So our array would be the products. So we access that array first before interpolating the method, as we always do. Products, and then the find method. Now the find method is used to access an array and return the very first element with the condition in it. So it is used to find something. So it's very self-explanatory. So within this parameter is the condition to found or the condition to be found. I hope you get that right. Pardon my French. Now, going back, it says for the callback function of the find method, pass a function that takes a single parameter item. So we would have a callback function and a parameter. So we would input the parameter first, and then the arrow pointing to the right, which implicitly returns this part to automatically return somewhere you write in here. So it returns whether the ID property of item is strictly equal to the ID parameter passed to the add item. So it indicates it would pass a condition. So what? So it indicates it would return. It would return a condition. Pardon my French. Now, first we would have to access the property, which would be wait. First, we would have to access the item, and then the property would be the second to be accessed. So we write first the item, and then to access the property, we interpolate it, and then we use the strict operator equal to the ID parameter. It says ID parameter passed to the add item. So this ID is this parameter of of the item. Oh my. Wait. So this ID is actually the parameter ID of the add item method, which is referring to the instruction. So I hope you get that right. Boom. So nice.